12 coolest gadgets and tools you can buy on Amazon. Every so often, we come across gadgets and tools that make us wonder how we ever lived without them. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or simply someone who loves clever innovations, having the right tools can make all the difference. These gadgets are more than just functional. They're exciting, innovative, and designed to make tasks easier and more efficient. Southwire XD1. The Southwire XD1 is the ultimate solution for professionals and DIYers who need precision and power in one compact tool. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use, making it a must-have for any toolbox. Designed for stripping and cutting wires with impeccable accuracy, the XD1 saves time and effort on even the most intricate electrical projects. What makes the Southwire XD1 stand out is its ergonomic design, which ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged use. Its built-in safety features protect both the user and the wires, preventing accidental cuts or damage. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or a complex wiring job, the XD1 simplifies the process and guarantees professional results every time. Cordless Cutout Saw. The cordless cutout saw is a game changer for anyone who values mobility and power. This tool is perfect for cutting drywall, wood, or metal with unmatched precision. Its cordless design means you can take it anywhere without worrying about power outlets or tangled cords, making it ideal for on-the-go projects. Equipped with a powerful motor and adjustable cutting depth, this saw provides flexibility for a wide range of applications. The lightweight body reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer without strain. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or performing routine cuts, this tool delivers flawless results with minimal effort. Lexivin Wrench. The Lexivin Wrench is a masterpiece of engineering, combining durability and versatility in one sleek design. Built to handle tough jobs, this wrench is perfect for loosening or tightening nuts and bolts with precision. Its adjustable settings and sturdy construction ensure it can withstand the most demanding tasks. What sets the Lexivin wrench apart is its smooth operation and anti-slip grip, which provide maximum control and safety. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, plumbing, or assembling furniture, this wrench offers unparalleled performance. It's a tool that transforms frustration into satisfaction, making every project a breeze. Camel Lever. The Camel Lever is a revolutionary tool for deck builders and carpenters. Designed to provide flawless alignment and spacing for deck boards, this tool ensures professional-grade results without the hassle. Its innovative mechanism allows you to lock boards in place while maintaining consistent gaps, streamlining the installation process. Constructed from durable materials, the Camel Lever is built to last. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With this tool in hand, you'll save time and effort while achieving a perfectly aligned deck that enhances any outdoor space. AGP Concrete Chainsaw. The AGP Concrete Chainsaw is a powerhouse tool that makes cutting through concrete, brick, or stone a seamless experience. With its robust motor and sharp, durable chain, this tool is perfect for construction professionals and serious dyers tackling heavy-duty projects. What makes this chainsaw exceptional is its precision and efficiency. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use, while its advanced safety features protect against kickbacks and accidental starts. Whether you're creating openings for windows or cutting through thick slabs, the AGP Concrete Chainsaw delivers unparalleled performance. Stop Digging. Stop Digging is an ingenious tool designed to simplify ground anchoring without the need for concrete. Ideal for fences, decks, or outdoor structures, this innovative solution saves time and effort while providing rock-solid stability. The tool's unique design allows you to drive anchors deep into the ground with minimal disruption. Made from high-quality materials, Stop Digging anchors are built to withstand the test of time. Their straightforward installation process makes them accessible to both professionals and dyers. With this tool, you can confidently build structures that stand firm against the elements. Deburring Tool. The deburring tool is a must-have for anyone working with metal, plastic, or wood. This handy gadget smooths rough edges and removes burrs, leaving a clean, polished finish. It's perfect for pipework, automotive repairs, or even crafting projects, ensuring a professional-grade result every time. With its ergonomic handle and replaceable blades, the deburring tool offers both comfort and longevity. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while its precision ensures flawless results. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this tool simplifies tasks and elevates your craftsmanship. Milascraft GlueMate. The Milascraft GlueMate is the ultimate companion for woodworking enthusiasts. This tool simplifies the process of applying glue, ensuring even distribution and minimizing mess. Its precision applicator and ergonomic design make it easy to use, even for intricate projects. Whether you're building furniture or crafting decorative pieces, the GlueMate ensures strong, reliable bonds. Its durable construction and easy-to-clean design make it a long-lasting addition to your toolkit. With this gadget, you can focus on creating without worrying about adhesive mishaps. Faithful FlexiFit. The Faithful FlexiFit is a versatile tool designed to make sanding and polishing tasks effortless. Its flexible design conforms to different surfaces, ensuring even results on curved or irregular shapes. This tool is perfect for restoring furniture, polishing metal, or finishing woodwork. Constructed from durable materials, the FlexiFit is built to last. Its lightweight body reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. Whether you're a professional finisher or a DIY enthusiast, this gadget delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. Tubeless-Co 2 Blaster. The Tubeless-Co 2 Blaster is a lifesaver for cyclists and adventurers. This compact tool quickly inflates tubeless tires, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. Its high-pressure output and user-friendly design make it an essential addition to any emergency kit. Designed for portability, the CO2 Blaster fits easily in a backpack or glove box. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance, even in harsh conditions. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising city streets, this tool keeps you moving with confidence. Batapaw Pulse. The Batapaw Pulse is a cutting-edge tile cutter that combines precision and power in one compact design. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, this tool ensures clean, accurate cuts on a variety of tile materials. Its advanced features and sturdy build make it a reliable choice for any tiling project. Equipped with a powerful motor and adjustable cutting guides, the Pulse delivers flawless results every time. Its user-friendly design and robust construction make it a joy to work with, turning challenging tasks into straightforward accomplishments. Fiskars Wood Spurt. The Fiskars Wood Spurt is the ultimate tool for chopping and splitting wood. Designed with efficiency and safety in mind, this axe features a sharp blade and ergonomic handle, ensuring powerful, precise cuts with minimal effort. What sets the Wood Spurt apart is its balance and control. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the anti-slip grip provides maximum stability. Whether you're preparing firewood or tackling outdoor projects, this tool makes the process faster and more enjoyable. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.